Hello, what's good, what's happening?
Greeks are preparing to welcome spring by celebrating a Greek ancient tradition. The tradition of Martis is a tradition where both children and adults make themselves a bracelet made out of red and white thread, which they have to wear from the 1st till the 31st of March.
Red stands for life and passion.
White symbolizes the purity.
The tradition is, after taking off the bracelet, to usually hang it on a fruit tree, so the tree will remain healthy and give many fruits, but also to make sure of a good harvest.
1st of March indicates the beginning of spring, and also the hope for warmer days, with sun. By wearing the Marti bracelet, it means that you're also protected from the first burning sun of the year.
We wish you a very nice month of March and a lot of sun.
And don't forget to say to anyone, Kalo Mina, which means enjoy the month.
And see you next time.